Today I'm going to show you the real power of the Procreate Smudge tool. The normal way it works with most brushes looks like this, which is not really what you want when you want to blend. So, with some tweaks to the brush you use, you can get a really nice blend like this. I'm going to show you how it works. You're just going to create a new brush, go to Wet Mix, pull up the blur, and then go to the properties. Here you remove the smudge tool, press done. It's that simple. Now, you can see, you can blend really effortlessly. You can even go as far as creating a texture brush or using your normal brush and enabling this feature there. Some brushes in Procreate already work like this. For example, I believe most charcoal brushes already do a pretty decent job, as you can see right here. So play around with this and you can customize whatever brush you want to blur just the way you want it to. Hope this helps. Have a good day.